stealing all the popularity. I am totally not swimming UAV. I'm totally not showing my beard or eyes. I totally don't got blue eyes because I don't wear clippers on my jacket. So let's take care of this little playground. I want you guys to come with me. Let's take a little ride.
Smoking, we don't mind the flames. Now we become the ghost that you know by name. Imagine we are higher than the stars. Casually, we're breathing with the flavor. Tragically, we fall just like the arrows. You might hear our voices echo.
Imagine for a second. Say you said something you regretted. Say you said it to a loved one. Say you said something and they got really upset with you and yelled at you. And they sent you to your room where you felt dumb, where you said something to a teacher and they made you feel like crap. Imagine you had to watch that moment. And again, and again, and again, and then everybody in the fucking world is